Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot common Lenovo LOQ 15 problems. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to troubleshoot common problems on Lenovo LOQ 15, what you can do is there are some steps that you can follow. First one is if the laptop won't turn on. In this case, what you can do is simply plug in the charger which is located at the back of the screen, and then simply check the LED light. Then hold the power button here for 10 to 15 seconds for a hard reset, and if that doesn't work, you can use the Nova button, which is a small pinhole, and choose the normal startup. If it's still dead, then what you can do is check the charger and battery or contact Lenovo support team. Now next is if the touchpad isn't working, what you can do is simply press the function key and F10 key. Now check the option or check if the touchpad is disabled or not. So if the touchpad is disabled, you can press the function plus F10 key as well, or you can just simply head over to the settings, and once you're inside the settings, select Bluetooth and devices from the left hand side menu, then scroll down and then select touchpad and check to see if this option is toggled on or not. Then next is to fix the keyboard backlight not working. To do it, what you can do is press the function key and then spacebar and check if the option is working properly or not. If it's not working properly, then what you can also do is simply head over to your start menu and open up Lenovo Vantage. Then once you're inside the Lenovo Vantage, what you need to do is select device settings from the left hand side menu. Then inside device settings, select input, and here you'll find the option that says keyboard backlight brightness right here. Now in order to toggle it to low, simply select low, and if you want to turn it up, simply select off. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.